Welcome again. So first of all, thank you so much for watching my videos. Today I will show you that how we can deploy a simple Hello World Spring Boot project like A to Z about how to deploy it into an EC2 Linux server. So first, starting with AWS portal. Let me log in first. Okay. So basically, I will try to show everything like end to end, everything like from what we actually need, so that we can like directly jump into that AWS with a Spring Boot application. Okay, so I will try my best to cover everything. So if anything required, don't feel hesitate to ask me. Just I will try as soon as possible to get you back. So first, open spring.io.initializer. So we will select a Maven project, and this is Java. Let it be there. Okay, we will choose Java 8. Okay, because my system is having version 1.8. Okay, so whatever you are having, you choose. Okay, and we will add a Spring Web dependency for REST calling and all. Okay, so let me copy it to my desktop. I need to extract it. Okay, so just get back to the Eclipse. We'll import that downloaded file from Spring IO. Okay, so we successfully imported. Let it be built. Okay, this will take some time. By the meantime, we will create an instance in AWS. So these are my already created instances. You can check my earlier videos as well as. So just quickly create a instance, Linux instance, AWS Amazon Linux image, so that we can deploy. So these are the protocols. Like this is the security group. These are the protocols are here. We need we require custom TCP protocols to hit our containers. So we will put it as in a 8080 from anywhere. Okay, review and launch it. I will choose an existing one. Okay, so if you want that how to use the new one, then you can check my earlier released videos. Okay, these are very easy things, not that much. Okay, so let me give a name to this. Okay, so we won't get confused with other instances. So this is probably one of a bug of AWS, like in one go we can't write the name. Okay, so successfully I have given a name. So let's go back to Eclipse. So it's perfectly built. So we can make this class, the Spring Boot class, as a REST controller, but it is not a good practice. So we will create a new class. Okay, let's give a name as Hello World. Okay, so REST controller. Return, I will choose to return as a like Hello World only. Okay, so just write a request handler with slash. So like by default, when this application will up, and we don't require mapping and all to mention, because all this done automatically, like everything. So once this get up and this by default slash, it will just request mapper will redirect it to that controller only. Oops. So this is the Hello World. Our application is working fine. I wanted to make it correct. Okay, so for moment we do these things in real life, I mean like in a real world. We need to do a clean build proper. although it is I have set my Eclipse to build automatically, but we do. So right now I will show you that how we can deploy this thing to cloud or EC2 instance. So we don't require a Putty and all, okay? But as of now, we require WinSCP, okay? We don't require S3. S3 has different purpose, and we will discuss this thing later. But in other videos, I have seen that people are using S3 for deploying a simple application. Anyways, we will discuss this thing later. Right now, I am just going to deploy this thing. This is the PPK file that I have earlier created. Check out my old videos, so there you can see that how I have created this one. If you're completely new to AWS, just go to that build, drag over here directly. Let it be copied there in the next instances. So we don't require Putty as well. We can directly access this instance with that interface given by AWS Amazon. So here we will check first the Java version. So Java command not found. This is because this instance is completely new and nothing is here. So we need to download that or install that Java OpenJDK. So I have mentioned this thing already in the in description, so you can check that. And one more thing is that I supposed to be a root user, so sudo with this I will be a root user. So let's install this thing. Let's check. Let's see. So this is 1.8 and it is perfect for running our application. Let's execute our Java file. Okay, what's our Java name? Yeah, this is, just select and right click, it will get copied. It will be, yeah, it's pasted. So enter. And let's see, it's showing that it is starting. Let's see. Is it started? Has it started? Okay, so we will get, no, I will not choose that OpenDNS. Okay, so just click on that, go to that port. Yes, it is working. Definitely it's working. So this is how we deployed just a simple Spring Boot application in AWS Cloud. This is so much easy. Okay, one thing I want to show you more. Okay, this is several people ask me this, how to do this. Like if we close it, the terminal, okay, so the application is automatically get shut down. So for this you need to enter this syntax, okay, this command no hub, okay, and it's executing that instruction in backend. Okay, so if let it close the terminal, okay, it's working. This is how you can deploy your favorite application in AWS. Okay, so always be aware about that pricing and all also. Okay, so there are like huge list of pricing of whatever the things, so keeping in this mind, okay, you deploy. So I have shut down the instance and now you can see that this everything is shut down, so it's not showing. So thank you for watching. Just don't forget to subscribe and like if you think